G'day guys, within just a couple of days Canon will announce the successor to the highly popular M50 and M50 Mark II, except it's going to be capable for the RF series of lenses. Okay, so first of all let's look at the rumoured specs for the upcoming R50. 24 megapixel seems to be about the standard for these type of cameras. 4K 30 full width, 4K 60 1.5 times crop. That's not so great, but of course they've got to hold this back a wee bit so you actually do jump in and buy some of the more expensive R cameras. A flippy screen, of course, 1x SD. Okay, well it does say it's going to kit with two lenses, the RF S18 to 45 f4.5 to 6.3 IS STM. Doesn't sound so great. And also the Canon RFS 55 to 210mm f5 to 7.1 STM. And again, these are both pretty slow lenses, but it's great that it does kit with two options, one to give you the wide shots and another to give you some tight shots, up to 210mm on an APS-C size sensor. Well, that's going to give you up to about 350mm equivalent on the full frame basis. Yeah, it's going to price it around about $679 for the body only, and about $1,029 that's kitted with both the lenses I just mentioned, the 18 to 45 and the 55 to 210. Interesting, there's a 10mm gap in there. It's believed to possibly come in two colors, maybe in the black and also the white, or they may take a retro styling update with the R50. No viewfinder, no IBIS, no EVF. Okay, so is that what they're going to do to keep the price lower? Do creators not use viewfinders? I guess they don't. I mean, I use viewfinders for photos and even sometimes for video. I find it gives me a much more stable shot. Yeah, as I say, it'll be interesting to see how this camera goes. I mean, for me, it doesn't quite seem like a necessary evolution. I mean, the M series of cameras, like I said, they were almost mirrorless cameras before mirrorless cameras were a thing. They were like the forerunners. But the thing now is in the R series of cameras, they do have inexpensive options, and also in the APS-C size sensor range, such as the R10. Now it's fair to say that the R10 will still be a little bit more expensive than the R50, and perhaps that's what Canon is looking to do, is to fill a gap between the R10 and some of their point and shoot cameras. So does this excite you? Is this something that you're interested about? The Canon R50 is coming out. What's the form factor going to be? What are the final specs going to be? And is this going to be a camera for you? If you have any thoughts on this, do let me know down below. And if you're also keen to catch up on information on Canon's other release coming up in a couple of days, that's the Canon R8, not the car, it's the camera. You can check it out on the link here right now. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching, and we're going to catch you next time. Bye!